Hey everyone, just here with another quick video regarding chimney repair and restoration. So I'm here because we've had a chimney fire on this flue. This is the oil burners flue, the boiler flue. And you can notice that, these flues, they don't have a bond break. And because they don't have a bond break, something has to give. So what happens here is, it will break up the crown wash on top. If it doesn't break up the crown wash and the crown wash is so strong, it will usually separate the bricks down lower. It will just pop them up. So we have to put a stainless liner in for the boiler because there's no divider wall, and the fire from the chimney fire on the wood stove flue, it broke this liner. So the only way to fix it is to sleeve it with a stainless steel liner. And we'll have a look down this one, and you can see this one's got some cracking and some actual chunks of tile that have fallen out. And then this one is not so bad, but if you go down 3, 4, 5 flues, you can start to see some severe cracking from the heat. Take a minute to notice all the pitting on the concrete crown wash here. Seems to be made out of pretty soft material. And then as you travel down, if you look at the stones in there, they're the same exact stones that you see showing up in the mortar here, right? So, when I look at that and I see that, that's an indication for me that they did the crown wash out of mortar, which, obviously, it's not good for moist. You really should make your crown wash out of concrete. I've opened up the chimney at the bottom. I've just taken out these 2 blocks, and this was the metal clean out hole. One of the first things you're going to notice is that these 2 flues, this is the wood stove flue, this is the boiler flue, and they're on the same clean out. And you should never do this. These should be completely separated with a 4-inch thick solid divider wall, and it should be a complete sealed system. One of the issues there's many issues that can happen from this or because of this, but one of the main ones that's easiest to point out is when you have a chimney fire in this flue and it's burning out of control, and you want to try to damper things down, you want to shut your stove down, you want to shut off the air supply to the fire, you can't, because it has an infinite supply of air coming straight from the top, feeding the fire. So if you're a firefighter and you're trying to fight the fire on a chimney fire and it's got an infinite supply of air, it makes it harder to fight that fire. Also, just note the years of creosote building on the inside of the chase of the chimney, because these flues aren't sealed off. The smoke just gets on the other side of the chase, on the other side of the flue, in the chase of the chimney, and so the walls the whole way on this chimney are going to be blackened like that. Take note of how black the inside of the chimney is. Everything is black, like through and through, even into the head joints, or I should say the missing head joints. Everything is just completely sooted up because of how the clean out at the bottom is put together, and everything's been drafting into the chase of the chimney since day one. Even all these pieces that they stuffed in at the top to put their crown wash on, the brick, it's just black through and through. That's it. It's just been venting. It's been building up into the chimney for years because it's just been venting into the chase of the chimney.